always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're gonna go ahead and talk about some of the best sneaker investments that you can make from here to summer 2021. There's a bunch of releases that I could possibly go over, but the only way that I'll make another video like this is if you guys show some love on this video, 80 likes on this one, and I'll bring some more sneaker investments in the future. Also, I do want to say that I am gonna be starting a giveaway, something slight for like 2 to 3 weeks on this TNF shoulder bag from like a season or two ago. I'm trying to figure out a major giveaway, whether it's a sneaker, a box logo, or something like that. But in the meantime, I am gonna be giving this away. All you have to do is leave a like on my videos and subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna put a Gleam link in the description, but this is gonna end probably in like 2 to 3 weeks, maybe even sooner if I decide to give something else away. Make sure you go ahead and check this out. It will be at the top of the description, but slap a like on this video if you do enjoy. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click them post notification bells so you're notified whenever I post a new video. And with all that being said, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So before I talk about some of the releases that haven't came out yet, I'm gonna go ahead and talk about some honorable mentions, which I feel like are gonna go up still from here to the summertime. I'm gonna go ahead and pull up the Jordan 1 Royal Toes. I feel like those are gonna go up a lot, especially as it starts becoming summertime. That's gonna be one of the sneakers that people go back and buy for sure. That's a banger. As we speak right now, the lowest ask is $320. My size is going for like $315, and I still feel like this has a lot of room for profit, a lot of room for growth. If you compare these to the bread toes, you could kind of see what these can do. Low-key, all we need is good weather and the ability to go outside, and people will be buying these. I'm gonna go ahead and see what they started at. So when these first released, they were like plateaued or like kind of around the price of $260, and then they went up to $300. They've been at like $3 to $320 for a little minute, but I do feel like these are gonna go up to $400 or so around the summertime. That's just my bold prediction. There's been over 50,000 sales of this sneaker, which means that this is only gonna keep going up. The more scarce the sneaker becomes, the more limited and the higher the price goes. But that's just an honorable mention. I have a couple more that I actually do want to discuss. One of them being the Fire Red 4s. Those are gonna go up a lot. I did talk about it in my previous sneaker investment video. The fact that I do own those, and I might go ahead and just keep them as an investment. Low-key, even my size has been going up. It's at $295, $285, around that price point. And if you really go ahead and take a look on StockX, these prices are starting to slowly but surely go up. And if you go ahead and look at the stock market on it, they went for like $260, $250 after release, and then they started low-key going up. They're like at $280, $290. They're averaging more on $290 than $280 right now. I feel like by summertime, these are actually gonna be $320, $340 at least. Look at what the Cool Grays and the Black Cats did. This is one pair that I did want to talk about. Two more sneakers that I'm slightly confident in are the Utility Black Yeezy 500s and the Yeezy 350 V2s in the bread colorway. Those are two sneakers that I feel like have potential at doing good, but once again, with the 350s at least, there was so many pairs that it might go ahead and destroy what's left for resale. I feel like the Utility Black 500s have a lot of potential, especially as next fall comes in, this summer passes. Like, people gonna want a sneaker boot looking shit, and they might go ahead and pick this up. There's one more sneaker out of old releases that I do want to talk about, and it is the Stussy Air Force Ones. I'm gonna go ahead and pull these up real quick. I know that the cream colorway is actually doing really good, but the black colorway is slept on, and I feel like that one's gonna do good as well. First, I'm gonna pull up the Fossil colorway, which I also feel like is gonna go up a lot. Trust me on this one. Remember what the Cactus Jack Air Force Ones did? Same shit is gonna happen for these. Those were going for like $400 or $500 at first. Cool. Now they're over $1,000. Easy. These are gonna go up to at least $500, $600. Mark my word on it. And I feel like the black ones are super slept on. These are low-key going for right above retail. These retailed at like $130, and they're going for like $150 to $190. Honestly, I feel like this is a hard pair of sneakers. Like, normally I don't go for black Air Forces, but when it comes to this specific sneaker right here, it looks pretty clean. I feel like down the line, this one will actually go up. I don't know. I just have a feeling that this one is definitely gonna go up in the future, just because they're bricks right right now does not mean that they will not go up in the future. Just trust me on that. But enough talk about those. I'm gonna talk about a couple pairs that are gonna be releasing that I feel like have so much potential. You guys should definitely get in on it. One of them being the taupe Jordan 4s. We all know that this is like the rip-off or knock-off Cactus Jack Jordan 4 sample. This is actually fire, bro. Like, these are hard, and it's apparent that under the crackled leather there's gonna be another piece of suede pretty much that's actually lighter than the other suede. These are beautiful. I'm honestly gonna have to pay resale for these if I can't get them. I was low-key trying to get them for an early review, but the cards weren't in my hands. If you guys know anybody that sells sneakers early and are trying to plug me with them, let me know, please. I'm trying to get into doing early sneaker reviews on the channel, and I need your help to source the sneakers in order to be able to make the fire content. Let me know in the comments if you have a plug. But the taupes haven't released yet. Obviously, I think they release on the 27th of this month, which is February. Obviously, the prices for these are varying from like $390 to like $500. Obviously, these are gonna dip down to like $300 or so, and my estimation is that by the end of summer, coming fall, these are gonna be at like $400 or $500. Trust me on this. Unless they make like 300,000 pairs and everybody that ever wanted these shits could just get them off the shelf walking into the mall, these shits are gonna go for bread. Trust me when I tell you that these are gonna be money makers. Like, low-key, if I could buy these in bulk, I definitely will. It's just a beautiful color, and honestly, people were saying that under the crackled leather there was like a silver color.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now.
That's cap, bro. Under that crackled leather there's like a lighter suede. Shit is beautiful. It's definitely a beautiful sneaker. That was one of the sneakers I wanted to talk about. Another one is the Jordan 1 University Blues, which low-key, once again, I'm trying to do an early review on, but it's getting hard out here for a pimp. These Jordan 1s are gonna go for bread. These are gonna be impeccable. The talk of the University Blue Jordan 1s is kind of reminding me of what these did, the UNCs. These were going for like $260 at first. I feel like those university ones people will not sleep on. Like, these people slept on these at first, and now these are money makers. These are beautiful shoes, just like those University Blues, slight bars. Those are going for like $500 on the early market right now, maybe $600 or something like that. And I feel like once they release, they're gonna dip down obviously to like $300, $350 at most. Then they're gonna start going up, just like the Mochas did. I feel like after Virgil did the UNC Jordan 1s, every light blue Jordan 1 is just gonna pop. I feel like that's just the case, and these are definitely a fire color. Do not sleep on these. There's also the Hyper Royal Jordan 1s, which I feel like is gonna be another banger. Those are gonna resell crazy. We don't have that much information on those yet, but once I do, I'll probably include it in the next sneaker investment video. If you guys are interested in seeing that, go ahead and slap a like on this one and I will bring that to you guys. But low-key, those are all the Jordans and Yeezys and Nikes I feel like are gonna resell. There's one more sneaker that I feel like might do good that I actually am confident in, and it is this women's UNC low dunk. I don't know the exact name of it. I kind of blanked on it right now. It is a women's exclusive, but like I was saying before, any UNC colorway is a banger sneaker that you need to hold to make maximum profit on it. Definitely keep an eye out on this. I forgot the name of it. Hold up. They're called the Coast colorway. These are definitely bangers. Don't sleep on these because they're gonna go up. They're gonna go up, bro. Dunks, especially in like female sizing, is just a money maker, hands down. These are only going for like $300 right now, but just trust me, if you hold these for summertime, maybe like a little bit towards August, like the end of summer, people will pay to play with this sneaker right here. That was the last one that I wanted to talk about in this video though. Let me know what y'all thought about this one in the comments below. Slap the like on this one if you would like more sneaker content. Let me know if you have a plug for early sneakers. I'm out here trying to get into the business. I'm trying to pay to play, but if y'all enjoyed, subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Also, drop a like and subscribe for this TNF shoulder bag that is being given away right now. Go ahead and click the Gleam link in the description. I'm gonna have something better for y'all, trust me, coming real soon. But right now, I just wanted to have a little token of appreciation, especially with Supreme around the corner. Hey, might as well give something away. Fuck it, let's go ahead and get it. Without any further ado, man, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.